Hello friends, this is Vivash Sarkar. You are watching Entertainment and Seriousness All-Rounder YouTubers. I have started a new course, last time suggestion for SSC CGL Tier 2 aspirants. Okay, Tier 2 is not so far, so you guys also start preparation with me. I shall provide you the math classes on every Wednesday and Saturday at 8 p.m. If you want to get those videos in time, subscribe the channel, and these classes will be made based on the previous year questions of CGL. Okay, so let's start. Before starting the first class, it is my duty to provide you the Tier 2 exam patterns. I know that you guys know it very well, still it is my duty. There is two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1 it is all about mathematics. There will be 100 questions. Each question 2 marks, total 200 marks, and 0.5 marks penalty for every wrong answer. And there is paper 2, that is completely based on English, and there will be 200 questions into 1 marks for every question, total 200 marks, and there will be penalty of 0.25 marks for every wrong answer. So you guys know it very well, still you watch it. Okay, then we shall start the class. Let's start the first problem. Okay, first problem, the mark price of an article is rupees 740. After two successive discounts of 15% and X%, it is sold for rupees 566.10. What is the value of X? So here mark price is rupees 740 and two successive discounts is given, that is one is 15% and one is X%, and then it is sold for 566.10. Then what is the value of X? Let's start. Here MP is 740 and first time the discount is given, that is 15%. So if 15% discount is given, then SP will be 740 into 85 by 100, right? Why 85? Because if the CP is 100 and the discount is 15%, then it will be sold at 85. So here mark price is 740 and discount 15%, then it will be sold at 740 into 85 by 100, right? 5 into 1785, 5 into 20, 100, 0, 0, eliminated, 2 into 37, 74. So 37 into 17, that will be 629. So here if the discount is 15% is given only, then it will be sold at 629, but here another discount is given, that is X%. After the second discount is given, the product is sold at 566.10. So in the second case discount is given 629 minus 566.10, that is 62.90 rupees, 62.90 is given. Then the discount percentage, that is X equal to discount by that SP 629 into 100%, right? Why here is the SP 629? Because this discount is given on that SP, right? So here is the calculation, 62.90 by 629 point 200 into 100, 100 eliminated, and 6 to 9 into 10 equal to 6 to 90, that is 10%. So x equal to 10%. Here 10 is the answer. Here 10 is the answer. It is the first problem. Okay, let's start the number 2. The average weight of some students in a class was 58.4 kg. When 5 students having the average weight 62.8 kg joined the class, the average weight of all the class increased by 0.55 kg. The number of students initially in the class were. Okay, let there were x students initially. Okay, there were x students and the average weight of the class initially was 58.4 kg. So the total weight of x students will be 58.4 into x, right? Okay, then 5 students joined the class and their weight is 62.8 kg in average. Okay, so their total weight 62.8 into 5, 62.8 into 5. Okay, then total weight 58.4 into x plus 62.8 into 5, right? Now the total student in the class x plus 5, there were x students initially and then 5 students joined. So now there were x plus 5 students. Okay, and their weight was increased by 0.55 kg after these 5 students came, right? So average weight was 58.4 and that was increased by 0.55. So 58.4 plus 0.55, it was the average weight now, right? And total number of students x plus 5. So this will be the equation, right? If we solve it, and we will get the value of x, and that will be the answer, right? Let's solve it. 58.4x plus 62.8 into 5, that will be 314 equal to, if we add it, it will be 58.95 into x plus 5, that is 58.4x plus 314 equal to 58.95x plus 58.95 into 5, 58.95 into 5, that will be 294.75, 294.75. Now 58.95x minus 58.4x equal to 314 minus 294.75. So here it will be 0.55x equal to 19.25, then x equal to 19.25 by 0.55, points are eliminated, then by 5 into 11 55, 5 into 3 15, 4 2, 5 8 is 42, 5 by 11 35. So x equal to 35. So x equal to 35. So the number of students initially in the class were 35. In the class were 35. Here 35 is the answer. Here 35 is the answer. Okay, we can solve this problem in another way. Okay, let's see it. Here new 5 students joined the class, right? The average weight of the class was 58.4 kg initially the average weight was 58.4 and 5 students joined, their average weight was 62.8. so the average weight of those new 5 students was greater than the initial average weight, right? And it was exceeded by 68.2 kg by 58.4 kg, right? That is 4.4 kg. So the average weight of new 5 students was greater than the initial average weight of the class by 4.4 kg and there were new 5 students, so the total weight was 4.4 into 5, that is 22 kg, that is 22 kg. And after the joining of new 5 students, the average weight of whole class was increased by 0.55 kg. So the number of students, equal to 22 by 0.55. So the calculation equal to 40 students, so there were 40 students, okay, but the question is that the number of students initially in the class, at the beginning how many students were there? So there were 40 minus 5 equal to 35 students were there initially, right? It is much easier than this process, right? Okay, let's start. Number 3, the difference in CI on a certain sum at 10% per annum for 1 year when the interest is compounded half yearly and yearly is 88.80. What is the simple interest on the same sum for 1, 2 by 3 years at the same rate? So here the difference is given, the difference between CI is given, the difference is 88.80 and the rate percent R is given, that is 10%, and the time is given 1 year, right? And we know the formula of compound interest, that is amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power T. This formula is applicable when the compound interest is compounded yearly and A equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2t when the interest is compounded half yearly. These two formula will be applicable here, okay? Here if we put that formula, amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2t, and here the principal is same, so the difference between the interest will be the difference between the amount also, okay? Now P into 1 plus R by 200, R means 10 by 200 whole to the power 2t, 2 into 1 minus P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power t equal to 88.80. So P into 0 eliminated, 1 plus 1 by 20 whole to the power 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 10 equal to 88.80. that is p into 21 by 20 whole to the power 2 minus p into 11 by 10 equal to 88.80. If we take the common p from these two, we will get p into and 21 square 441 by 20 square 400 minus 11 by 10 equal to 88.80. Now p into LCM 400, that is 441 minus 440 equal to 88.80. Now p into 1 by 400 equal to 88.80. Point will be eliminated if there is 100. 0 0 0 0 eliminated, that is p equal to 8880 into 4 into 4. It is the principal. Now we have to find the simple interest on the same sum, that is 8880 into 4, and the time is 1 2 by 3, that is 5 by 3 year. We know the formula of simple interest, that is p r t by 100. Here p is 8880 into 4, r is 10, time is 5 by 3, that is 5 by 3 into 100. 0 0 eliminated, 0 0 eliminated. 3 into 296, that is 888. So 296 into 5 into 4, that is 20, that is 5920. That is the answer. So here 5920, it is the answer. The simple interest on the same sum for 1 2 by 3 years is 5920. This is the answer. Okay, very important problems and the nice problems also. Okay, next let's start number 4. The ratio of boys and girls in a group is 7:6. The ratio of boys and girls is 7:6. If 4 more boys join the group and 3 girls leave the group, then the ratio of boys to girls becomes 4:3. What is the total number of boys and girls initially in the group? Very easy problem. It is answer. Ratio between boys and girls is 7:6. Let boys equal to 7x, girls equal to 6x. Okay, now 4 more boys join the group, so 7x plus 4, and 3 girls leave the group, that is 6x minus 3, and the new ratio becomes 4:3. So this will be equal to 4/3. Okay, now the calculation: 3 into 7x, that is 21x, plus 12 equal to 4 into 6x, that is 24x minus 12. 24x minus 21x, that is 3x, equal to 12 plus 12, that is 24. X equal to 24/3, that is 8. X equal to 8. And the question is, find the total number of boys and girls initially in the group. So initially there were 7x boys and 6x girls. So total boys and girls equal to 7x plus 6x, that is 13x, and here x equal to 8, x equal to 8, that is 13 into 8 equal to 104. So 104 is the answer, 104 is the answer. Okay, it is an easy problem. Okay, the next problem, number 5, it is the last problem today. If the 6-digit numbers x35, 624 and 1257y4 are divisible by 11 and 72 respectively, here two numbers are given. One number is x35624 and the another number is 1257y4. This number is divisible by 11 and this number is divisible by 72. If it is, then we have to find the value of 5x minus 2y. So here we have to find the value of x and y. Okay, this number is divisible by 11. Okay, so we know the divisibility rule of 11. What is the rule? That the odd place numbers and the even place numbers, and the difference of them, if the difference of them is 0 or divisible by 11, then this number is divisible by 11. Okay, at first take the odd place numbers, x plus 5 plus 2, then the even place numbers 3 plus 6 plus 4, okay, 7 plus x minus 13, that is x minus 6. Now if x equal to 6, then this value will be 0, and 0 is divisible by 11, so we can say that this number will be divisible by 11. So we get x equal to 6. Now here is another number 125714. This number is divisible by 72, but we don't know the divisibility rule of 72. But we can say the factors of 72. The factors of 72 are 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, and here 12, 18, and so on. But if this number is divisible by those factors, then we can say that this number is divisible by 72, right? Okay, then here at first we take the 2. The divisibility rule of 2 is, if the last number is even, then this number will be divisible by 2. So here is 4, so we can say that 125714, this number is divisible by 2, Now take the number 3. The divisibility rule of 3 is, the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. Okay, take the sum of the digits. 2 plus 1 3 plus 5 8 plus 7 15 plus 4 19 plus y. If 19 plus y is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 3. So if we put y equal to 2 or 5 or 8, then this number will be divisible by 3. 19 plus 2 21, divisible by 3. 19 plus 5 24, divisible by 3. 19 plus 8 27, that is also divisible by 3. So here the value of y can be 2 or 5 or 8. Okay, now take the next one, 4. The divisibility rule of 4 is, the last two digit of the number, if divisible by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. Last two digit, that means these two digit. So here last two digit is y4, that is, if the value of y is 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 4. Okay, here for 3 the value of y was 258 and the value for y for 4 is 2468. So the common is 2 and 8. Okay, there is two options now left for y is 2 or 8. Okay, now take 9. The divisibility rule of 9 is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then we can say that the number also will be divisible by 9. Okay, take the sum of the digits. Oh, already it is there, 19 plus y. If 19 plus y is divisible by 9, then y equal to 8. If y equal to 8, then 19 plus y is divisible by 9. Okay, then if y equal to 8, then this number is also divisible by 9. So here two options was left, that is 2 and 8, and here we get the value y equal to 8. So if y equal to 8, then this number is divisible by all the factors of 72. Okay, then we can say that if y equal to 8, then this number is divisible by 72. So y equal to 8. So y equal to 8, and we already get the value of x. Now we have to find 5x minus 2y. 5x minus 2y, that is 5 into 6 minus 2 into 8, that is 30 minus 16 equal to 14. So the value of 5x minus 2y is 14. So it is the answer. Okay, that's all for today. Please subscribe the channel for the next classes, and those classes are very important for SSC CGL Tier 2. So please be with us and subscribe the channel. Thank you. That's all for today.